Kia ora, Maki Maki. Good morning. Yeah, I'm doing good. Hope he's all are too. Kia ora, kia ora. How are we all doing? Morning, I'm guessing you're at Maki. Hey, Kevin, how you doing? All good, my bro. All good. All good. Cheer, whānau. Cheer, brother Pope. Cheer, my bro. Almost purgatory. What's up, brother? Woo! So, kia ora, everyone. Yeah, we're back outside. We back outside again today. You know why? Because every week in September, like once a week, once a year actually, the whole country embraces Te Reo Māori. And so it's Māori Language Week this week, but for me personally, it's every day. Yeah. So this week is Māori Language Week in our country where everyone embraces the language. 1 week, pretty steep I would say, but hey, that's just how it goes these days. Cheer Fanta! So yeah, it's Māori Language Week here in our country of Aotearoa. And so as people come in, I'll do a traditional introduction, and then obviously being back outside, we're carving today. Cheer heavy metal. Tell your boss to come and watch too, brother. Cheer, brother Bryce. The camera works. So yeah, it's not the 4K camera. I try to rig it up, but the Camlink Pro Elgato sent me, it doesn't look like it can operate in the current PC tower that I have, which is sad. I think a little Camlink might have been all good, but hey, it's alright. I'm grateful nonetheless that Elgato sent those gifts through to me, and yeah, looking to go hard. Feels good to be back outside. I had a nice break, even though I was carving off stream while I wasn't streaming actually. But yeah, I just needed a break to get away from Twitch and everything and have a rest. Also, I got a surprise this morning too. From Twitch ANZ, they sent me a biscuit in the shape of my face. I think I got a photo. If not, go to my Instagram and you can see it too. So Mrs. Rock says, "Oh, you got sent some supplements." I woke up, supplement? Hold up, I'm just gonna turn it around. So just to let you know, I think I have wrinkles, so here it is there. So that's my biscuit there. So I got sent there from Twitch ANZ. Oh, big girl, say that, AD. How are you, my bro? Are you gonna stream on your birthday? Maybe. I was trying to look for like a big bowl for a cup of tea to dip the biscuit in and eat it. But yeah, obviously, usually from what I've seen, Twitch ANZ creators get a cake, but being where I am, it would have went off like as I was travelling over. But yeah, I haven't eaten it yet. Oh, I ate the little Twitch logo, that was pretty nice, like shortbread. Ooh, what was that? And also, who's playing at the moment is Macy Rika. I'm good friends with her brother JJ, and I asked him last night if I could play some of their music. Unfortunately, we can't play any of her old music because it's under someone else. But, yeah, go to play. It's all good. So yeah, I got a Twitch biscuit, Twitch ANZ birthday biscuit. And, bro, should I just stream myself eating some of it at the end of the stream? What you reckon? One's in the chat. So yeah, oh, only one. Oh well, guess we'll eat it another time. Tēnā koe Brewmeister General, e mihi ana ki a koe my bro, mō tō sub, along with brother Snorlax as well. Hello everyone, first time catching you live. How's your day treating you all? Brother Brewmeister, oh, good to point, brother, all good. So it's currently Monday. Every day feels like Monday at the moment, which is good. One of the brothers told me that, but yeah, good. Oh, sorry, you're a first timer. Yeah, got it. My bad, bro. Hey, brother, just drop by real quick to wish you happy birthday, bro. Hope you're having many more best wishes. Ah, thank you, brother Snorlax. So I actually turned 30 on the 23rd. But much appreciated, brother, and thank you for the big PP 14 months, my bro. Hope you're good too, brother. Is it cold outside? Not really. I wouldn't say so. Yeah. No, AD, it's not my birthday. It's on the 23rd, so that's when I actually turn 30. I don't know. I might stream. I might not. We'll see. Because of COVID, it kind of makes it difficult to even figure out what I'm going to do. Alright. I think I've talked enough. So there's quite a few people here. So, with that being said, I'll give you a traditional introduction to who I am. So a pepeha is a way where we the Māori people used to like introduce ourselves. So a pepeha is kind of like telling everyone where you're from, in terms of the land and all that too. So a basic pepeha is ko Maunga Pohatu te maunga. My lofty mountain is Maunga Pohatu. Ko Whakatāne te awa. Whakatāne is my river. Ko Tāne Nui Arangi te whare tupuna. Tāne Nui Arangi is my ancestral meeting house. And obviously ko Tūhoi te iwi. Tūhoi is my tribe. Ko Mātātua te waka. Mātātua is my canoe. So that is a basic setup on how we used to introduce ourselves, and how we knew where you were from was those landmarks that I just said. So that's what a pepeha is. So yeah, just so you know, lofty mountain, river, waka, and marae. Oh, river. Hey, your stream sending me lots of good vibes. It makes my day better. Oh, cheers, Mazia. Yo, brother Reva, thank you for gifting 2 subs, my bro. And our man is the conductor today. Thank you very much, brother. Those are to Zeolonomy, and it's Danny OG. I think the counter is broken. Oh, I hope so. Yeah, so it takes a little while for it to count up. But yeah, that's a basic introduction of a pepeha. and basically you can intertwine both your parents' sides in terms of your pepeha. But obviously, my mum raised me, so I only say my mother's pepeha. So another one here as well, because I come from a small place called Ruatahuna and also here in Rotorua. I could say ko mata whaura te maunga, ko roto iti te roto. They say moana, I don't know why, because roto is the lake. But hey, I'm not going to question it. Ko tara te marae, ko hau mai tawhiti te whare tupuna, ko te aroa te waka. So, mata whaura is my mountain. Te roto iti ki te aia ihenga is my lake. Ko Otara, that's my marae. Ko Haumai Tawhiti, that's my Haumai Tawhiti is my ancestral meeting house. And Te Arawa is my canoe. So that's another breakdown of a pepeha. Because it's good to acknowledge both sides of your genealogy. Well, I only acknowledge both sides of my mum's, so yeah. Your boy Arthur, thank you for the 2 months, brother. Okay, I think I've talked enough. So, let's get to the whakairo. So, to anyone that's new here, whakairo is traditional Māori wood carving, which has been a part of Māori culture since for as long as we can remember. So, it played a pivotal part in terms of handing down our knowledge too, because we didn't have a written form of language. We were more of an oral culture. Yeah. Oh, speaking of pepeha too, like those introductions that you heard me say, those can be implemented into moko, which is the facial tattoos as well. So sorry if I'm overloading you, because it's 9 o'clock in the morning, but hey, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon somewhere in the world. So let's get some work done, eh? Check. Here we go. Thank you, Brother Arthur. It's 3 for me. You love to see it. It's 4 for me. 6 a.m. Far out. Streamer mental health check. I've been seeing that quite a lot lately. Yeah, good. I didn't have breakfast, but I'm good. I'm more of a 10 o'clock eating guy. Okay, last time we were on this piece here, what we were carving was this side part here. So to anyone that's new, this is what we call a teko teko. So teko teko is a 3-dimensional carving that we the Māori people do, kind of like our totems or our statues. And yeah, so obviously I have another head down here. Why is the camera opposite to what I'm carving? Where? So my hand's on that side, but it's on this side on the screen. Okay, whatever. So as you can see, we've been cutting this section here. I had Taco Bell. Ooh, that's not the only thing that's gonna be sore after. Alright, let me just turn this around. You can reverse the image. I must have misclicked something. My bad. And I'm gonna watch you till I fall asleep. All good, brother. All good. Alright, here we go. Woo! So I just got some timber too over the weekend from the bro. We'll be carving a trophy very shortly too. Let me just get some tools out and we on. Alright. You should do the bears challenge. I have no idea what that is. It sounds like something you do after Taco Bell. What type of timber did you get? Oh, just some tōtara, some native. So it feels good that I got some native again. So we can finally use some nice timber. Chill on, bro. Yeah, it's looking all good, eh? Wow, these are some pretty hearty songs there, Mace. Not something I normally listen to, but hey, it's alright. Always play good beats in the back there. Man, cheers, brother. Morning, man. Hope everyone is well. Cheers, brother Jono. Bro, your name always reminds me of Jono and Bean at 10. And do they ship to the South Island? Just from home. This is where I get my timber from. Or like places here, like there's a wood recycling centre here. And just make connections with people that actually have a timber supply. So you want a carving, bro? Just just have some wood. That's like the opportunity that you can make for yourself, eh? And then you make that connection with someone. It's the connection I made with this old fella who was at this wood recycling centre. Because he goes, "What are you looking for, mate?" To me, "Oh, just some native." And I took the opportunity. Took the situation and created an opportunity for myself. Where I said, "Oh, true. So you got a bit of a collection?" I said, "Oh, I got a collection, bro." He goes, "I'll tell you what. I'll carve you something out of the timber you give me, and I'll keep the rest." Yeah, you're done. Deal. Because he's a wood turner. And I've got 2 tōtara slabs that I've got to do masks for. Holding the chisel in her hand. Oh, okay. Must be just me, eh? I think my mind you, my kids were touching on the PC last night. They almost deleted my Warrior on Classic. If you delete that, you can't get it back. The straight hammer fist on the keyboard. Ka pai whānau. So to anyone that's new as well, ko te ingoa o tēnei wāhanga. So the name of this section here is tai what? Ui. So the name of this section here, so we're doing something similar to a popo, which is a 2-dimensional carving. Holy hell! Sturdy! The 13 is a tier 3. My favourite leather worker. Kia ora, my bro. Cheer, my bro. Hope you're good. Kia ora, my brother. Nā mihi kia koe, my bro. Cheer to you, my bro. Hope you're well. As you know, me and you talk off stream last time. And yeah, I'm all good, brother. I'm all good. Been sleeping on the ground for the last couple of days because my daughter keeps hogging the bed. Other than that, kei te pai, my bro. How did you get the ideas of what to carve? So, everything you see me carve, I roto I te ao whakairo in the Māori wood carving world. So all these designs have been passed down by our ancestors. So they're not mine at all. They're just, you could say, blueprints that have been passed down from generation to generation. And my uncle is a wood carver, and he was one that introduced me to the art form. So nāna I takoto I te kākano, so he was the one that planted the seed. And pretty much a eureka moment for myself, and I didn't want to do anything else. Te ko te ingoa tōku matua ko Mani Mani Te Ari. So my uncle's name is Mani Mani Te Ari. So that's our first word for today. Whakairo. You may see it in the stream title. So our WH is our F. So wha, kai, ro. So you roll your R a little bit, ro. So whakairo basically is Māori wood carving. And our greeting is kia ora. So kia ora is kind of like the word everyone knows. So kia ora can mean hello and thank you, depending on the situation. So typical greeting you could say is kia ora ko Brooks tōku ingoa, ko Sturdy tōku ingoa. So you can say something like that. So if you want to give it a go and chat, find me. Anyone ever tell you you are like Korg and Thor Ragnarok? Yep, since I started, brother. Kei te pehe aku I tēnei rā mai. How are you today? I hope you're not watching from Mahi. Zenny. So this one's a gift for one of the bros. Also, once I send the bro's mask off, I'm gonna ask him to do one more thing for myself when it reaches him, to create, I don't know, to create curiosity and maybe an opportunity as well. Ui. Our second word for today is hupe, so you would have just heard me do it right then. Snot. Snot me, bro. Ah, dry. Yeah, you know, damn well I'm working. I'm at work sucking off. Ah, bloody hell. Yeah, so once I'll probably have to put this one to the side, or I have to do this one on top of the trophy that I have to do, since the timber has arrived. Fuck love. There's no fuck my fire. I was lurking in your stream last night while you were playing some hackers while I was doing some mahi. Yeah, that's clearly me. Yeah, so throughout Aotearoa as well, whānau, actually waiting, I'm giving you all this juicy information before the stream's even taken off. Let's hold our horses first. What year was your first carving? How old was I back in 2012? So I'm 29. My first carving I completed was at 12 years old. Sorry, not 2012, 12 years old. So that's when I completed my first piece, which was a wakahuia, which I still have today, which is quite a blessing in itself too, because it's a constant reminder of what I came from, what I started with. Te tīmatanga ni, the beginning. Morning, Nux. Hi, Birdo. What's up, bro? You have an amazing carving. Thank you, brother. Heat 911. Thank you very much, my brother. some levels for our mata kupenga. So mata kupenga is a fishnet style of design that you might see here. So these sections here get dug out. So these ones here, and the curved lines stay. This is a design that you'll find done by Taranaki. Taranaki is one of the tribes that reside in Aotearoa. Alright. Came across my recommended stream, isn't it? Beautiful work. Oh, cheer for the Nux. Shout out to the RNG. Or the algorithm. Cheer, my bro. What's going on here? Okay. Kia ora whānau, if you want to learn more words as well, feel free to just say. We have quite a lot of words. So I was going to plan to play some games to finish off our stream outside, but don't want to be like that guy. I got a bit of an interview today, so I got to do that straight after stream. Okay, so if you heard what the song was saying there, kia pūhia koe nā haua tāwhiri mātea. Oa hoki atu ki tō maunga. Kia pūhia koe nā haua tāwhiri mātea. What that's referring to is when obviously you pass away, go back to your mountain to be cleansed by the winds of Tāwhiri Mātea, who is the god of winds and storms, as you go on to the next life. So that's what that proverb means. We have many, many proverbs throughout our culture as well. Many, many. Cheers, Vaiksa. Nā mihi, bro. Yeah, just haven't done a teko teko in a while, so I was really wanting to do another one. What is afterlife like in your culture? I don't know, haven't been there. Not in a hurry either. 10219112. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Thank you very much, my bro. Tēnei te mihi atu kia koe, my bro. Kia ora. Ngā mihi kia koe, my bro. What will you do with this song when it's finished? It's going to one of my bros. So that's what I'm gonna do. So sometimes when obviously when I don't have a commission, I think I want to carve something for someone from chat. I think I'll do that. Yeah, not in a hurry to get there, my bro. We're not here anyway, so I can't answer that. I've just been honest, that's all. Do we know this, bro? Yeah, I think so. He hasn't been here in a while. then I want to do Fanta's one next. Rockstar Surf. Oh, I wish, brother. I want someone to teach me, though. Do current Mighty Woodcarvers ever create their own designs? They can, but it will still have like references to traditional ones, eh? Like even within the contemporary side, I personally am not a fan of contemporary Mighty Woodcarving. I mean, it looks cool, but that's something I don't really want to do. Oh, this is that knot. Wait. Man, I want to learn to surf. Always have. Yeah, me too, my bro. Me too. I've always wanted to dabble in it as well, but I lived in the bush when when I was a fan of it. Eh? So it was either surf down the hill on a piece of cardboard or go and look for the sea. Most of the time we was surf on a cardboard. Nah, I don't live in the Auckland region, my bro. That's why I can go get a takeaway. But takeaways is yuck now. I'm more takeaway out. Alright. 1,000 miles away. Oh, wee. Started learning to surf when I was about 8 or 9, but I was all washed up in one day. Damn, yeah, this reminds me of a story, one of the bros. Yeah, he really loves surfing. Like, I've given it a go, but man, I bailed so hard, eh? Jeez, is this a story time? Do I really want to tell this story right now? Because it's a bit of a funny one. He's on me to tell it. Please, okay, it's a bit of a funny one though. Sorry about it. Let me just do this first. It's a bit of a funny one, eh? Okay. Let me just turn the camera up. Oof. Okay. Okay, this particular story, yeah, obviously I was learning how to surf, and bro, I was loving it, eh? I was loving it, then I got taken out by this wave, and let's just say, bro, I was spinning and spinning, and came up for a breath, and I was like, okay, I'll live another day, and so I was surfing for a few more hours, like still learning how to do it, and I got taken out from a wave, and yeah, I was trying to look for the surface, I couldn't find it, and I just started being that guy, just let go, and then the next thing you know is I touched the sand, and yeah, I didn't let go anymore. Because I was like, and then touched the ground, okay. There's the shoreline. Yeah, I was spinning, and I was like, where's the surface? And then I went, well, just started letting go, and then, yeah, and then it was just like right there. And then I just got up and pretended nothing happened. Yeah, man, almost got taken out. But I ended up jumping back in anyway. Ooh, shite. It's pretty funny. Because the person's like, did you do a bit of a roller? So yeah. Man was ready to let go. And they just started cracking up laughing. Hey, chill, Hammer. Chill, my bro. Seen you holding it down for the brother last night, my bro. Good to see you again. Must have been scary. Yeah, it was. It was, bro. It was pretty out the gate, eh? Hey, T-Mod. Nami Hikyakwe. Happy Māori Language Week. Jeez, bro, it was fun. Nice, brother. Yeah, I was talking to the bro last night and it's, not looking good, eh? Ah, wretched is. Yeah, touch the ground and sakes. I just started cracking up laughing. Something similar happened to the bro as well. But yeah, nothing Marvel worthy. Has anyone heard Lord's new album? Yeah, I love it, eh? I know a lot of Māori in particular hating on her because she made a Māori album. But I for one stand behind her. I support her. It's a mean album. And what gets me is all these people that are trying to say she shouldn't be doing it are sitting on the asses doing nothing. And they're not even singers. What? MG, thank you very much for subbing, my bro. Thank you very much, brother. I think I got the song on repeat. So you dabble in it too, Brother Pig. I need to check out Lord's album. Yeah, I like it. This is King's song for Māori Language Week. He gave a bit of a teaser last week, but it's fully on the album now. I don't know if I can play the whole album. I just play it because it's his music. Because I asked him and he goes, yeah, all good, bro. Spark it up. On PS4. Nah, the last Spider-Man game I played was on PS2. How good is the new one though? I want to replay God of War though. How you doing, brother? Tēnā koe Gale. I'm doing good, my bro. Doing really good. I really enjoyed the rest away from Twitch, like being outside. I did enjoy that just chatting stream though. That was pretty cool. Like just chatting, talking a whole lot of crap, sharing some of my memories. Just like talking with the bros. I got a few comments about the just chatting stream saying, can you do more of them? Because they're cool. I was like, oh, if everyone's keen. You got a PS5? Oh, don't swear at me. Nah, brother, I'm so sad as well. Oh, it is on repeat. I really want one, eh? Hopefully I get one soon. Because I went to EB Games yesterday to ask if they were pre-ordering. And they said, at the moment, no one is. Sorry, I'm just gonna play some other music from the Brother Kings. Should I make mushroom and onion sauce? Do tell, do tell. Yeah, we still got EB games here. Yeah, you gotta make it and you gotta give us a review. That's the rule. Bro, that sounds yummy. That sounds really yum. Ooh, that sounds on. Do you have to finish your carvings with eyes? Ideally, yes, that's what you should do. But I mean, if you even look at these old carvings, some of them just do one eye, or may have been like a personal preference, or a carved eye even. So even though I wasn't streaming carving, man was doing a bit of research. It's always good to upskill even if you rest. Not gonna lie, I'm really impressed I woke up early today. It's weird having breakfast in the morning. Dad. Time to get my headphones. Ooh. Jay, kapai, kapai. Hadouken. Okay, so the section we are doing now, Whānau, is the Waiwai. Not Y, it's WAE. So yeah, towards the end of the stream, I'll go get my biscuit head and we'll eat it. So we'll just do this now. How you been, Pope? I seen is it the organisation you're with announcement last night? Hope that doesn't affect you, brother. I know how hard you work to get in on there. And you manifested that pretty well, my bro. That man. Cheer, Mr. Savage. Have a good luck, my bro. Beautiful Hyundai. Is everyone sharing your breakfast? Now, I don't normally eat breakfast anyway. Engari. I do enjoy a bit of a scrambled eggs, hash browns, sizzlers, spaghetti, or baked beans on toast. Yeah, hard, my bro. I hope it all works out for you, my bro. Kia ora, sub cartoon. Dinakwe. Goodbye. Okay. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm allowed to play any of that Māori language week album. Could get a DMCA. Even though it's a Māori language week. I don't want to get a strike. Goodbye. Alright. Okay, 6 if I was you. Gee, I'm on. Dinakwe. Argue it. How was the search for a shipping box yesterday? Yeah, got it, my bro. Got some airbags and some bubble wrap. So I gotta do that up and then go to the post office. I went in yesterday and bro, there was so much people trying to send stuff out in. It was pretty handy. Yeah, bro, gonna need one thing from you with their piece too, my bro. Just a video, brother. Como estas? Good. Okay. For now, we'll just get all of this done. What I keep doing. Goodbye. Normally I skip breakfast, but today had mushroom broth. Oh, nice. Yeah, no, I never have breakfast either. So the Māori word for breakfast is parakuihi. Parakuihi. Koira te iwa. That's the name. Oh, that's the name of breakfast in Te Reo Māori. Check out. Yeah, brother, we are well and truly past that now. We're carving the sides now. Yeah, the only NZ artist I know I can play without feeling like I'm gonna get in trouble is Kings. Because he said go hard. Do I have a favourite whakatauki? Also, chat, whakatauki means proverb. So as I said earlier, we have many whakatauki in our culture. My favourite one would have to be, it always has been, ko ngā tamariki ngā rangatira o Popo. So what that translates to everyone here is the children are the leaders of tomorrow. And that's one thing I always think of because of what we're doing in terms of whakairo. We're trying to nurture this mātauranga, this knowledge, or these teachings, and pass it down to them. So that's always been a favourite of mine. True, JT. Yep, so we're drawing up designs. I need to show you some of the designs as well. And I don't know whether to do a logo or should we just have a log. Tia War God, our man is ready for the new God of War. Thank you for the 7 months, my bro. Been a while, brother. How good is Tia, the new God of War, though, my bro? He is very tall. Thank you very much, brother. Morning, Chopper. Tēnā koe. Yeah, there are many proverbs we have within our culture, like one that ties to one of my tribes in particular, of Tūhoi, goes Tūhoi Momo Kai, Momo Taonga, Momo Tangata Ki Te Pō. Now Momo also means to waste as well, but it's kind of a flip on words in terms of our tribe. Even though we're known for war, we're known for generosity as well. So how this proverb comes into play. So Tūhoi Momo Kai, Tūhoi loves to give their food. Momo Taonga, we love to give physical things like belongings, whatever it may be. Momo Tangata Ki Te Pō. Now Tūhoi, gifting people to the goddess of death, Hine Nui Te Pō. So that's when how I was saying that our tribe's renowned for warfare. So basically how that comes into play is kind of gifting people to the goddess of death through warfare, because we were known for what we lived and breathed. It's kind of like the sea we lived in pretty much. But yeah. another proverb as well, which comes from a story of Te Tahi o Te Rangi. Now he was a ariki, or a priest from Ngāti Awa, from Whakatane. That's where Mrs. Brooks is from. Oi. Hey, Luke. Thank you for the 1069. But he's my bro. Kia ora, my bro. Nā mihi. Jeez, I have no idea why you done this, but thank you very much, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Gee. Thank you, brother. Now, as I mentioned before too, Te Tahi o Te Rangi, he was a priest who resided in Ngāti Awa, which is where Mrs. Brooks is from Whakatane. So one day the tribe that he was with, they decided to go and get titi, which is mutton bird. It's quite a salty bird, so it's saltier than a League of Legends player. Engari. These particular birds were on Whakaari, which is a volcanic island just off the shores of Whakatane. So they went there. But the tribe was annoyed with Te Tahi o Te Rangi because he was old and slow. But they took him anyway. Diamond, thank you very much for the sub as well, brother. Nā mihi, my bro. Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. So as I was saying before as well, he was old, slow, and they didn't want to wait around. But they took him anyway. So they went to this island. They got themselves some TT. No, not TT. Mutton bird. TT is a different bloody bird. What was it? Jeez. Yeah, they took him anyway to this island. And once again, because he was taking his time, they got impatient and they're getting annoyed with him. So they left him on the island. So what they did from there, they left him on the island and he could see that they had left. And he was obviously disappointed and angry. So what he did from there, he called out to his pet whale. He karanga ia ki te moana. He was calling out to the sea during his incantations, or his karakia, to tell his pet whale to come up and come and take him back to shore. So he came up, he picked up Te Tahi o Te Rangi, and then he took him back to the shore. Now as they were rowing back to the shoreline, he passed them, and he looked at them, but he carried on. And obviously being all embarrassed at what they did, as Te Tahi o Te Rangi got back to the shoreline, he sat by the shore and waited. He was waiting for them to come back. And obviously being a priest, he could put a curse on all of them, but he chose not to. And that's where this proverb comes from. Waiho mā te whakamā e patu. Let embarrassment be the punishment. So that's where that comes from. Greetings, Lord Minasio. Got a website we can order your work from, or would you ever do a draw up of a tattoo scheme? Probably wouldn't do a draw up of a tattoo scheme. I would rather leave that to tāmoko artists, because I'm not one myself. Kia ora, NZ Unique, tēnā koe. Alright. So yeah, I'll be turning 30 next week, so I'm probably not going to be streaming on the 21st. So I'm going to get my arm done for my 30th. 30 years old. I don't even feel 30. Bye. Jeez, quite a few people here. Kia ora to everyone that's making their way through. Kia ora ko Brox tōku ingoa. He rea hungo ngai tū hoi me te aroa waka. Mai nei oku mahi runga I te whakaaturaga nei Twitch. So kia ora, my name's Brooks, I'm from Te Arawa e Ngai Tūhoi. And this is what I do on Twitch. Whakairo is the main thing I do, Māori woodcarving. Hey man, how's it going? Hope you and the family are well. Mr. Sniper Viper, we are well, my brother. Thank you very much for asking too. Kau te pai mai, bro. 26 and that happens. What's that, my bro? Alright. Some say life starts at 30. Or earlier, pretty much. Yeah, so what we're doing at the moment is moulding the figure on this side, if you can see it. So we have the head, the eye, the nose, the mouth. And we're moulding his tinana or his body. So we are going to need to cut some of these so I can work on this side of the figure too. Ka pai. Kia ora mate, bit of a silly question, but do you sharpen your tools once in a while or just buy new ones? Ooh, buy new ones. Jeez, if I was Kanye West. No, I sharpen my own chisels, brother. Keep the beauties I got. I will show you shortly, my bro, the tools that I use. All good, my bro. Yeah, no, yeah, because they cost a lot, my bro, chisels. So I gotta look after them like your girlfriend. So I go, these are my ladies. Did you watch the awards too? Kim Kardashian looked like a dementor, eh? In the jumpsuit, yeah, it was a pretty weird get up, eh? But bro, just straight got dementor vibes from that. And Lil Nas looking like Saint Seiya. Trev, no, it wasn't. ASAP Rocky with his nanny blanket. Alright. Let's cut out these matakupinga over here. Chisels are like kitchen knives too. You definitely prefer to sharpen them than grab hard, brother. Because thanks to Twitch chat, I had the opportunity to buy my own wheel grinder, brother. So it's inside. I'm gonna look, since we're back outside, I might try and do a bit of a sharpening stream this week. I just gotta give me a heavy duty table. I don't trust these dinky plastic tables. Nah, Met Gala didn't pay for the Kim Kardashian DLC in time. Yeah, some really outrageous clothes, I would say. And that's the Daily Plain, whānau. Jeez, it must be front page today. Look at the... we're going up pretty high. Alright. Oh well, just carry on anyway. Now if you have any questions about Te Reo Māori, feel free to ask as well. Any words in particular you would like to learn. Don't be an egg, don't be a heki. That's the main one. So yes, it is Māori Language Week this week. And it has been Māori Language Week every September for as long as I can remember. But at the same time, obviously, there are those that don't acknowledge Te Reo Māori. Not gonna point fingers and name names. But yeah, it is. So this week is Māori Language Week. And obviously, with that being said, we've explained a few words through the stream, along with what I'm up to in terms of streaming. Oh, good Fanta, good boy. Boxes on front page and all that. Cheer him up, bro. Yeah, I'm not actually sure how long it goes for, eh? But anyway, that's not the main focus. The main focus is to carry on, get it all done. You got the rain too? Yeah, yeah. Say this shit 1,000 times before, like I might have lost you. Taihoa whānau, so taihoa means wait. Can you tell me what mana means to you? I've been told so many different things, eh? But the main one is, what my grandfather taught me is, mana can be like your status or what you are. So koe takahi mana, don't stand on anyone's mana or who they are, because everyone has mana, no matter what walk in life you take. I don't know if I know, just grab a chisel. So that was the main thing he told me. Is that our mana can be anything we want it to be. But obviously the main thing that's taught is that mana can be like who you are as a person, what you do as a person. It's not blue power source from games anyway. So koe takahimana can also refer to don't step on anyone's toes. Would mana be your energy? Yep, that's another thing it can be too. Yeah, mana can be many things. And it can have many representations as well. Naturally, it's up to the individual what their mana can represent. What I find it, it's just changing our music. Alright, let's cut some of these in. So this is once again, the design is called Matakupeka, to anyone that's wondering what it is. The timber itself is pine. That's all this timber is. It's nothing special. Right, how are we doing, chat? Go to pai. So So as I mentioned earlier as well, within Whakairo, we not only carve tiko tiko, but we carve a large array of things as well. The most, probably the most pivotal thing a carver can ever carve is an ancestral meeting house, or whare tupuna. So tupuna means ancestor, so because we have many different tribes within our country, we have many different dialects on how Te Reo Māori is spoken as well. So it can vary, and it's also another way you can identify where people are from. So from Tūhoe, we don't like to pronounce our G. So instead of saying ngā, we say nā. So it's an NG. Along with how it's spelt as well. So you might go ngā mihi and they'll say nā mihi. So it's just a slight change to the whole word as well. Some tribes even say wānau, which means family as well, as opposed to majority of the tribes that say whānau, the WH. True, high anxiety. Tēnā koe, my bro. What's your preferred wood to carve? Hi from level 4 lockdown. Oh, kia ora. Tōtara, bro. Native timber, red pine. It's soft, but it's durable. Yeah, so not only do tribes of Aotearoa not only carve their own particular carving style, within the tribal style, it's right down to the dialect of the language as well. Pretty much. Right. Hold up. Comments. Yeah, wanganui, whanganui. Pretty much. Kia ora from H-Town. Kia ora, tēnā koe. E te pēhea koe, bro. So also what I just said there as well to all our whānau watching from around the world. Kei te pēhea koe means, how are you? And Māori as well. So kei te pēhea koe. Alright. So we're just trying to get some depth on all these mata kupunga first, then we can come back to the figure. Right. Oh, I can feel attitude. I admire your patience for crafting. I wouldn't last an hour. Oh, brother. This is pretty much what I live and breathe for. That's one thing I don't mind, eh? Just taking my time. Ata haere, take your time. It's kind of how I live my life too. Like when sometimes when Mrs. Brox is in a rush, she goes, "Can you go faster?" There's no need to. It'll still be there no matter what speed we go. She knows not to rush me. Ka pai whānau. So, ka mutu ana tēnei. Once we finish this, then we can get back to the main section. Beach, yeah, it's a pretty dumb timber. I've heard about that timber, and I haven't heard any good things about it either. Also, to let you know as well, whānau, this will be the last time I stream for Wiki o Te Reo Māori too, in terms of chosen content creators to do it on. Majora's Night, tēnā koe my bro, kia ora. Thank you for the Te Kaumātoru Marama bro. Thank you for the 13 months brother. Spartan, this is Pine. Pene is what we call it. Pine, if you will. Hello, you took it away. Hello. Do I find it? Hold on. Oi! Callaghan. Kia ora, my bro. Much appreciated for the sub, brother. Welcome, whānau. To anyone that's new here, if you have any questions about whakairo or what I'm up to, don't be afraid to ask. That's why I'm here. Just to share. Here, take it away. Cheer Thunder. Cheer Soul. Cheer Thievin. Cheer Beatty. I see you. Tēnā koutou mā, ia tāmaki makaurau taka bro. Pēhea te ahua o te rangi engari he pai aki. Hope Google Translate did this correct. Yeah, all good my bro. So you up in Auckland, eh? How have you been? So yeah. Since everyone does a stream a mental health check, lockdown mental health check, feel free to talk. I know there's quite a lot of whānau that are under stress because of the lockdown. And shout out to the lawyer and her husband that escaped lockdown level 4 to try and have a holiday down in Wanaka in their private batch, but they got dobbed in online. Don't ever do that again, okay? Oh, hey, Kills. Oh, Beardy's having a boy. Oh, hey, that's right, he does the graveyard zoo. Yeah, I'm trying to be sneaky. Chill, my bro. What you drawing today, my bro? Hitting us with a bit of a thundering rhino today. Bro, I gotta show you my poster that I made last night too. Bro, he's the son of a high court judge. Oh, bloody hell. That's cracker though. They got knocked on from their neighbours. The other body accent so soothing. Kia ora, kia ora. Yeah, chat, so we had a few people escape lockdown over the last few days up in Auckland. Gotta get me some of that K-Fry again. Far Ravage, have you seen the TikTok of this fella who takes like 3 suitcases worth of KFC back to Auckland? I was like, oh, someone named their son after him and that family. He done them a solid. I do you Just lurking while working. Hope you're having a mana morning. Tēnā koe. Yeah, having a whole good morning. I've got my niece and my brother-in-law and his wahine over at the moment. They're getting ready to go down south for their friend's wedding. Sunflower Twix. Tēnā koe. Much appreciated for the sub as well. Thank you, thank you. We'll have a bit of a smoko soon. Or should we have a smoko once the showcase is over? I'm guessing I'll be done in an hour. Because it's not actually that long, eh? First takeaway, bro, because the lines were quite silly, eh? They were quite crazy. We just went to Carl's Jr. I mean, I'm a fan of the onion rings, so I wasn't mad. But we had it once and we were like, okay, over it, I'd rather eat healthy. Thank you, Sunflower. Thank you, thank you. Never thought I'd get so mad watching someone eat takeaways. The jealousy I felt in my soul was next level. Also, so I checked the badges last night. Some of the blue lines should be coming through soon. So that's the next badge. I checked it last night and it's in 7 days for myself. So I'm guessing it'll be very soon for a few. Cheers, Epics. Yeah, man, we're just getting progress done, brother. So I actually took a break from streaming carving for a bit, for like a few days. Just because I was feeling exhausted and stressed. But yeah, feeling good. It was a good rest. Do you fellas have a Sonic Drive? Bro, they mean onion rings. True. Nah, we don't have that, brother. But I prefer Carl's Jr.'s onion rings to any of the fast food places here. Te reka hoki, my bro. Okay. Let's do this. Wait. Okay, I think I've dug down deep enough. Can anyone carve wood? Yeah, anyone can carve timber. Depends what you want to do. What's a Carl's Jr.? It's similar to a McDonald's, I would say. Very similar. Kei te pēhea koe. Tēnā koe, fruit juice. Ooh, fruit juice. Tēnā koe, my bro. Kei te pai au I tēnei rā, brother. Koe nei te rā tuatahi. I hoki mai ki a Twitch ki te mai whakairo. Hey friend, I decided to follow you because of your great nobility since a while ago I saw a video. You are a great artist, a great human. I love you, friend. Greetings from Mexico. Sure, Mori? I'm gonna call you Modi, brother, because Modi and Te Reo Māori is like your life essence. Call you brother Modi. Thank you very much for your kind words, brother Modi. I want to make a wood smartphone. Go hard, brother. Nothing's impossible unless you say it is. Do you get splinters? I'm still trying to get my first one. Fuji. I call you Fuji, my bro. Yeah, I give nicknames to everyone if it reminds me of something. Thank you for the sub, my bro. It would be awesome. Hashtag Brox gives me morning wood. Cause I got that feeling. Is Edu here? If Edu's not here, he don't get a pokari. I got that feeling. Slowly so true. So before today ends, I'm gonna sing you fellas a song. The song in particular is Po Kare Kare Ana. Now it talks about two ancestors here by the name of Hinemoa and Tu Tanekai. Now these two met at the tribal gathering here in Rotorua when they were young. So they were people of different statuses, eh? So Hinemoa came from a chieftain line into Tānekai, was not so higher up in society on those days. Engari, when they met each other at this tribal gathering for the first time, interlocked eyes and obviously the fireworks went, the doves were coming out of nowhere, and they fell in love with each other, deeply in love with each other. They're not with even. Pea to morena, oh, noisy my bro. Tate mea kai kone toku oku whānau. So my nieces here and my daughter, the twins, who are Hāparani haere roto i te whare ngā haora katoa. So let's check out all of these. So as I was saying, Hinemoa and Tūtānekai. Now, Hinemoa was the daughter of a great chief within the area on the eastern shores of Rotorua. That was where they came from, or where they resided, I should say. And Tūtānekai lived on Te Motutapua Tīmiro, which is Mokoia Island, which is situated in the middle of Lake Rotorua. So you can search up Rotorua and you'll see their particular island in the middle of the lake. So that's where he used to live. And because of the differences between them, Hinemoa's father forbid her to be with him. So one night Hinemoa would sit on a kōhatu, or a boulder or a rock. So Hinemoa's rock is like a sacred spot here in Rotorua that you can go and see. And it's actually not too far from Cliff Curtis's house, who plays the Fire Lord. So she would sit on this particular rock every night and listen to Tūtānekai play his flute. So that's what he was known for, playing his flute on the shore of Mokoia. So that's what that island was called. Oh, and then someone trying to be cool on their car. So with that being said, yeah, every night she'd go onto this particular rock and just listen to the one she longed to be with. And just listen to him play his flute as the tunes carried along the water to the shoreline. And one night she was determined to be with Tūtānekai. So she snuck down to the shores of the lake and noticed that all the canoes had been hauled up onto dry land, so she couldn't use a canoe to get to him. But because of her sheer determination, she found a solution. So what she used were hue, so gourd, a gourd, and this was Vin Petro in the past. Yeah, so she found some hui or gourd, and she lashed them. She lashed the fear around her waist for flotation, and she swam the 3-mile journey to Mokoia Island to be with Tūtānekai. And as she swam, she obviously took all her clothes off because they would have got heavy, or her cloaks. And she made the 3-mile journey swimming over to Tūtānekai with only the sound of his flute to guide her in the dead of night. So yeah, so you can see her sheer determination, and obviously likened to how we as teenagers used to sneak out and go to that dearly beloved of the night, whether it be fence or window. So yeah, with that being said, she made her way to the to Mokoia Island. She made it. She stopped at a hot pool called Waikimi here, and she was sitting in there to get warm again. Tūtānekai had a mate there on Mokoia Island and said, "Bro, there's someone down in the hot pool." And so they went down to investigate. And Tutanekai snuck up behind her and grabbed her and, "Who are you?" And from there he was surprised that it was the one he longed to be with, Hinemoa. Being surprised, and let's just say, with that being said, there are many descendants that come from Hinemoa and Tutanekai that reside within Rotorua. Direct lines to these two particular ancestors as well. For me, I can't really say because I don't know. Could be, but I have to research that. But yeah, so they had children who had more children. And yeah, there are many direct descendants to Hinemoa and Tutanekai within Rotorua. So that's the story of the song I'm going to sing at the end of the stream. Nice, but do you think people travel? Yeah, it wasn't on a normal canoe, it was on a wakahaurua. So a wakahaurua is a double hull canoe. People get this perception that we came on our war canoes. We're like, because those will survive the big waves. Definitely. Like, I mean, if Kupe could do it, our ancestors did it. Because Kupe was the first one to discover this place. And obviously he went back to tell our people that there's a particular place where we can reside. So whaia te ara Kupe, follow the path Kupe took to get to here, Aotearoa. So there's even with Maui, you know, the story of Maui and Te Ika Maui, which is the North Island. How he snuck into his older brother, canoe in the dead of night, as they were planning to go on a fishing trip. So they didn't want to tell Maui because you know, being the youngest brother, he's gonna be annoying, not cool enough. As elder siblings think. So what he did, he was eavesdropping, and so once they all went to bed, he left the meeting house and he snuck into the canoe and he slept in there. In like the storage section of the canoe. And not till they were out to sea and they couldn't see the land, he popped out and told them, "Hey, I'm here. Let's go." So with that being said, he said, "Okay, I'm coming on this fishing trip." And they couldn't turn back and take him because obviously they couldn't see land anymore. So yeah, they had to just bite the bullet and take him. And his brothers got tired at one point, and Maui said, "Keep rowing, we're not far enough. Keep rowing, keep rowing." And not till they got so far out to sea, Maui was determined to start fishing. Oi, Vash, thank you very much for the sub, Vash. Tēnā koe, my bro. Ngā mihi and welcome to the stream. Yeah, so today is currently Māori Language Week. Welcome. Just telling the story of Maui. Now he fished up the North Island. So as they began to fish, his older brothers wouldn't give him any bait. There would be eggs. So what Maui did was, with the help of his fish hook, he actually punched himself in the nose and used his own blood as bait. Ooh, can you see the birds? Must be saying, "Oh, you're wrong here." So he used the blood from his nose as bait, and he cast his fish hook into the sea and let it go deep within the sea until he hooked something. And then he kept tugging at this particular thing, but it wouldn't budge. So with all his might, he started to pull even harder, and it still wouldn't move until he actually started to try and pull on his line fully. And the sea started to stir, like it started So it was a calm sea, and then after that it started to become really rough as he kept trying to wrestle his line. And then what happened after that, his brothers were getting scared, like, well, what's on your line, let it go. But because Maui wasn't like them, let's just say he built different, he said no. So he kept wrestling his line until he noticed a big shadow started to come underneath their boat. And as he pulled it up, their boat came out of the sea, and it was on this particular fish. So they noticed that, yep, it was a really big fish. But Maui said, please don't cut into the fish until I find my fish hook. So he set out to go and look for his hook on this particular ika, or fish. And but his brothers didn't listen to them, so they started cutting into it with their paddles. And as Maui noticed, the fish started to change. So you notice all the canyons, all the ranges that you see on New Zealand, like all the scars within the land became the hills and the rivers we know today. And from a navigator's point of view, we got told this from a navigator as well. He said Maui was a navigator as well, and changing this whole particular thing of him fishing it up, they said he spotted the land from far away. So you know, when you spot a structure and you get closer, it starts to get bigger. So there was another variation of Maui as well. But I was buzzing out when they told us that too. Oh, Chovash, welcome. Yeah. Oh yeah. There you go. So I'm just taking the timber out. Alright. I feel like we haven't gone deep enough. One moment, Fano. Hey Brox, it's starting to look great. Thank you, brother. Kia ora peo. Tēnā koe. Hold on, just going on the YouTube. What you reckon about Big E? Finally won the championship. I'm about to play if I find it, VCR, some hackers now. So this is VCR quality, so please bear with me. What did you eat? Nothing. I haven't even had a lunch yet. Yeah, Big E won the title. He cashed in. Yeah, Big E cashed in yesterday, bro. It was me. It's good to see him finally win. It's a new day. Yes, it is. Yeah, man, he deserves it. I hope they don't do a Kofi Kingston to him, though, because he's a main champion. Skykes, thank you very much for the sub, brother. We got a hydrate coming in too. I better go get a water. Yeah, man, I like Big E. He's cool. Man's on the leave. I'll just go get a water funnel. Oh no. Alright, Koki Mayo, I am back. Okay, let me just hey? Are they? Okay, chat. Please mind if I can say goodbye to my niece, she's almost off. I'm worried some people are starting to ask what are VCRs. Okay, who doesn't know what a VCRs? Hashtag Zoomers in the chat. Kite mola. Alright, chat, I'll just do these. Because they're almost all goodly and we can carry on. Oh, gee. Joe, bro. Joe, listen. Go on, dude. What does VCR stand for? Oh, wee! Yeah, my niece is off to the South Island, so I'm gonna go give her a hug. Gotta be a good gunkle. That's what she calls me. Gunkle. Great uncle. I think our front page is almost over, so we should be good. Or taking the washing machine hose out. Yeah, love to see it, my bro. Straight towels in, my bro. Go hard. Okay, fine. I'm just gonna go and give my niece a hug before she leaves. Because I won't see her in a while. Let me just turn this around. It's looking good though. But I will probably carry on even when the showcase ends. Okay, here we are. Come on. I'll just do this. Hey, it's supposed to be going. No, te va I think this is what will come and get me. Okay, it's gonna go now. Afi afi my niece. Afi afi cuddle. Oops. Sorry. I am back, and I have a biscuit. Ooh, did someone get banned? Alright, I'm back. Oh, we got a bit of a roll call. Ooh. Alright, fine. I've got something to show you too in person. Oh, good, black belt. So shout out to Twitch ANZ. So they sent me a little something. So it's my 30th next week. But I'm guessing because, you know, you can't really send cake over and it gets there. It'll probably be, yeah, probably a turn. So I got this from Twitch this morning. And I must say that it's the most good looking biscuit I've ever seen in my damn life. So yeah. So yeah, I got this for my birthday. I ate the Twitch icon this morning. Engari. Yeah. This is the most handsomest, aesthetically pleasing biscuit I've ever seen in my life. I don't think I've ever seen one much more handsome than this biscuit ever. And you can't change my mind. Yeah. Glad you like it. Yeah, hard. I just ate my hair. You can see. Oh, I love shortbread, eh? Look! It's me like Asmund Gold. I look like Panda now. Jeez, I look good with a bit of a bald head. Never know. Yeah. I reckon I rock it better than Panda and Asmund. At me. Oh, that's yum. I wish I had a cup big enough for a cup of tea. Bro, that was actually quite good, hey? Just a bit off the top, bro. When you have a kina, I might eat all the hair off and see what I look like. Hey, do you like One Piece? Love it, brother. Woo! Hakeya is my tipuna. Oh, who made that, Allison? Yo, JT, thanks for the gifted sub, my bro. Yeah, so we'll keep carving till 11, I believe that's when our showcase ends. Greetings from Germany. Guten Tag, brother. Love your work. Thank you very much, my bro. Not gonna lie when I eat some more, but let's try and get some work done. Infernex, are you still here? It's looking awesome. Thank you, BC. Cheer, brother Valoon. How you, my bro? Loving the jams. Cheer, Kahu. So let's just mold this leg. Yeah, so my little niece just left. They got a wedding down south. Her mum's friend's wedding. They're having it up on the mountain. I was like, damn, that's some Game of Thrones stuff right there. Yeah, I didn't want to tell you. So you go to Mahi. Just chill at Mahi. Red wedding? No. Don't say that. Koteka watu watahi, koteka watu warua, koteka watu watoru, koteka watu wapa. Oh, Spanksy! Thank you for the 4 months, my bro. Cheers for the 4 months again. Cheers, my bro. You go have no work for the rest of the week. Oh, that's good, so you can just kick back and have a cup of tea. I wasn't snobbing your Discord message. I saw it and I said, nah. How much time do we have left? Almost 20 minutes left. Cheerio, brother Marvin. How are you, my bro? You feeling good? Who was that? Little Miss NZ. Tēnā koe, Little Miss. Thank you very much for the tier 1. Kia ora, kia ora. It's going great for me now. Oh, beauty, brother. You love to see it. Thank you very much, my bro. Yeah, I know you read everything. No, not everything. Sloppy, thank you very much for the 3 months, my bro. No, I don't read everything. Alright. Have you jammed Te Ao Marama yet? Te Ao Marama? Nah, I haven't. Yeah, Marvin, that's all it can come down to sometimes. Like, focusing on your own. Know your own worth, brother. And your own time should be yours most of all. But it's mean, bro. It's mean to see that you're doing good. When you stream late at night. Yeah, no, you got me there. Do I though? Hey. I was like, if I don't reply, she might go to bed. Yeah, because I want you to go to sleep. Native Ginger, thank you for the sub as well, brother. I'm like, no, go to bed. I don't have my head tomorrow. Oh well, go to bed. Cheers from Canada. Canada, yeah. Cheers, brother. I'm like, maybe if they'll listen by going to bed. But no. Uncle Fred, kia ora. Interesting way to spell Fred, my bro.
This entrepreneur brand logo.
Whoa! Alright, what's another gem? Nau te rina I tukuna E hia nei te roa Te wahine Tino a tāhua e Aloha from Hawaii. E my kanaka Māori cousin. Tēnā koe, brother. I mai au I ki te I tāku I leku rotu Yeah, I might have to say that, Maki Maki. You take those tiny hands to bed. E taku te... Oh, e tamai. Wrong words. E tu atu leo ki muri a koe e te tau. Auckland escapees here. Yeah, they got their names released yesterday. I won't lie, I went onto Facebook to try and find them. Kia ora from Sydney. Cheerio, brother. Hope lockdown over there isn't treating you too bad, brother. We're getting the chat. Are you caught up on One Piece, anime and manga, my bro? Kia ora, brother. How's your te wiki o te reo Māori going? Ah, all good. Haven't had a breakfast, so yeah, didn't break my fast. And I gave myself a flat top just before. Yeah, bro, I wouldn't be surprised if they do that either, Thunder. They seem to be like... That's the one thing I don't like about mainstream media. They'll cover up for like really rich suburbs, but when one thing happens in like Māori and Pacifica regions within Auckland, or anywhere in Aotearoa really, they're quick to jump on the bloody guillotine and drop it in. Sure, brother Marvin. Can I shoot off and get ready, my bro? Yeah, all good, my bro. Did you clean the washing machine? I hope you, I hope you cleaned it, my mate. Oh my God. Should I risk it and play Kamanu? What you reckon? Let me just see if there's a label underneath. Composer. Ah, surely Rob won't mind. Rob Ruha, kia ora. I'm Kawana's mate from the carving school. If you ever seen this, please don't DMCA strike me for playing Kamanu. Kia ora, ngā mihi. Have you ever tried psychedelics? No, the only delics I've ever heard of is funkadelics, my bro. Bro, 5 towels later. All good, my bro. So this song here, ladies and gentlemen, highlights what happened over the last year or maybe 2 years when in Ihumato, which is a section of land up in Auckland, that is a very sacred place to us, the Māori, because it's where our ancestors used to reside. It still has the same land structure that was there when our ancestors resided there. And Fletcher's, which is a building company, wanted to smash it all down, level it all to make houses. And our people fought back to look after this piece of land, and they're still there to this day. Do you have a favourite piece? I love them all, eh? I love them all, brother. Is wood carving your main? Now, yeah, I've been wood carving since I was 12, brother. It's pretty much the main thing that's helped me survive too. Marae, I am from Aotearoa, New Zealand. I live in Rotorua. What it's famously known for, smelling like rotten eggs, because we live in a volcano and there's a lot of sulphur around. The account got suspended back in July, and I totally miss adding into the list of my new account. Legit stoked to see you still going. Trained infant. All good, brother. All good. You're here now. That's all that matters, brother. Good to see you once again, my man. Sketch Dave. Oh, with the 1 year. We legit have 10 minutes left on the front page, but can we get some pogs in the chat for Sketch Dave, who just hit his 1 year? Because I farted my chair all the time. Ooh, change the chair, man. Rust and corrosion right there. Guess I'm loving the chat for Sketch Dave, who hit 1 year. Keep on carving and sharing your awesome craft, brother. Thank you very much, brother Dave. Yeah, my bro. You need a new chair. Congratulations, brother. And thank you very much for subbing. That goes for everyone that has subbed today too. It feels good to be back outside carving on Twitch again. Even when the showcase ends, I'm gonna carry on, okay? Doesn't mean finish. Eru's not here, is he? Oh well. Okay, guys, it's haircut time. AD, yeah, it's a Māori language week. I just didn't tell anyone. So as you all know, I gave myself a haircut. Now I'm gonna give myself another haircut. Oh, it's so good. Woo! I love shortbread. Oh my god. Now I got no head. Looks like a great white took a chomp out of it, eh? Oh, I can't play this.
Your business.
Yep, because it's an ad. Oh, it's so good. Oh man. Sorry, Faldy.
I feel the colors are going somewhere.
Oh, so good. Okay, one more bite. It's almost time to take out my eyebrows. Alright. Nothing like having shortbread for breakfast. Okay, very good. I love this JMA. This night. Hunt Showdown. I think I seen C's play there. Dear brother Dave, you have a good sleep, my bro. Poor Marty. And I'll see you next time. By yourself. Over again, all over again. Waving when you see me, I wanna see you dancing for some time. Sorry, Fire, this is my jam at the moment. Dancing this night. It was I decided to break it down. That's the most Brox thing I can do. Do you have that one bakery you always go to? The closest one, Marlboro. All good, Marvin. You have a good sleep, brother. Good to see you, and sharing how you feeling too, my bro. So this is Muroki Wavy. I think it's Muroki. I get his name wrong every time. Yeah, Muroki. He's on Spotify too. This is my jam at the moment. So he's on Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori album. Life. We could move side to side, it's good, right? Get down. Waving when you see me, I wanna keep on dancing all the time. I better save some of that biscuit for Mrs. Brooks, because she likes shortbread too. Yeah, all good, my bro. I better find the song. All right. I think this is it. What is this? Oh, these covers are bad. Never mind. My gosh. Hold on, chat. Let's just default back to normal music. Those covers are bad. Alright, let's just leave it there. So our time on the front page is almost up. We've smashed it though, I must say. The towel. I might have to rock the towel. Can't do my own version of Uncle Rick because I can't master that mindset. Unlike the cows. Alright, so for the last few minutes on the front page, I'm just going to put the camera up, whānau. Here we are. So, my time on the front page for Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori is almost up. What have we done? What have we shared? I would say I've been sharing whakairo since I pretty much started. As you all know, I do Māori wood carving and eat biscuit on my face on stream for Māori Language Week on the front page. So whānau. So yeah, we're starting to roll out. So I'm guessing a lot of people will start dropping off from the views, but it's alright, it happens. But just because I'm doing one stream during the day, I'm going to do another one tonight, maybe. I enjoyed the Just Chatting stream the other night too. Cheerio, how are you, bro? But yeah, kia ora tātou katoa. As I've said it before, ko maunga pō atu te maunga ko whakatāne te awa, ko whiarai te marae, ko ngai te painga te hapū, ko tū hoi te iwi ko mātātua te waka, i te taho o te arawa, ko matawhaura te maunga, ko roto iti ki te ai e ihinga, te roto, o te awa e ki ai ki ngā tangata o konei, ko whata te marae, ko hau mai tawiti te whare tupuna, ko te arawa te waka. So kia ora everyone, translating my pepehau for you all. Mauna Pohatu is my mountain. Whakatāne is my river. Tāne Nui Arangi is my... Oh wait, I didn't do that, but I changed that to be cool. Te Painga is my hapu. And also Mātātu is my waka, Tūhoi is my iwi or tribe. On this side of Te Arawa, Matawhaura is my mountain, Te Roto Iti ki te aia ihinga is my roto, but to some they call it a moana here. Te Ōwhata is my marae, Home Mai Tawhiti is my ancestral meeting house, Te Arawa is my tribe, Te Arawa is my canoe. So kia ora everyone, 10:59 on the clock, as we can see, and it's 11 o'clock now, so that means my showcase on the front page is done, but that doesn't mean I'm going to finish stream. So kei te haere tonu te wiki o te reo Māori, so the Māori language week carries on right to Sunday. There are many other streamers that will be showcased throughout the duration of the week, but ki au ki oku whakaaro nei, in my own personal opinion, Māori language week is every week. So ladies and gentlemen, kia ora, and to everyone that may start dropping out of the stream, thank you very much for tuning in. I'm going to carry on though, because we got heaps of work to get done and it's only early. But yeah, so you'll probably see me still eating my biscuit head through the duration of the stream while we carry on carving as well. So kia ora, much appreciated, and shot tuche in for doing this once again. Could possibly be my last one, because I want to see other creators have a crack at it as well, take the leap. And sometimes you just gotta take a deep breath and say bugger it and take the leap of faith. But until then, back to mahi. I actually should take their biscuit to Mrs. Brooks, but yeah, let's carry on. Cheers. But even with the stream going too, feel free to ask about we the Māori people and our language, or what I'm doing, or can I eat 10 burgers in 5 minutes? Yes, but yeah, I'm dieting, so I won't do it. So yeah. So me haere tonu mātou. The show must go on. Here we go. And Brother Giraffe, thank you for the 9 months, brother. Y'all know what that means, shit. We have our first sub baby of the day. Wow, 8 months already. This is 9 months for me. Looks like you upgraded your gear and looks nice. Brother, I legit just carried my PC setup outside, my bro. There we go. So I've got everything behind the camera at the moment. Be PC, hard drive, mic, chisels, stream deck. Shout out to Elgato like always. And a half-eaten face of myself in biscuit form. Cheer. Cheer, brother Ziggy. Alright, here we go. So I whānau komatu tōku wāhanga I runga I te Māori Language Week. But hey, just because my section of Māori Language Week is done, doesn't mean he's gonna get done. Carry on. Wait, what did Brock say about moving on? Like, carry on carving, that's all. Not moving away. I'm not going to mix or anything. Hell no. We worked pretty hard to get where we are today. Okay, it's not rocket time. One moment. I think Mixer died. Yeah, I just said that as a joke. Cheers, Jerry. Haven't seen you in a while. I think this time we changed the country's name, eh? Ui, why not, eh? Gee, you should apply next year. I'd love to see you on there, my bro. I'm just hiding and listening while I work here. Oh, don't get caught. Hi, Whānau. So, me haere tonu ngā mahi, so the work must carry on. We've got a lot of progress to make as well. Bro, you speak Portuguese? Nah, brother. You ever do any chainsaw work or pure? I use the chainsaw to cut the timber up, but that's as far as chainsaw mahi goes, my bro. Other than that, brother, no, not really. What are you making? So what I am doing currently is what's called a tickle tickle, but however, we have finished the tickle tickle process. So the tickle tickle is the 3-dimensional piece you see here. So these are kind of like the totems or the statues we do in Māori wood carving. So that's what whakaira was. And so in saying that, what we are doing now is just the sections on the side. Getting these two figures done. And we are carving the mata kupinga too, which is this design you may see, which imitates the weaving patterns of a fishnet. How much of the carving design do you plan on the paper? Pretty much the mold and the design itself. Like they have pieces where I just winged it and they came out, dare I say it, nice. Though I don't like tooting my own horn. But yeah, I've always wanted to do a tickle tickle on stream. Is one of the first things I wanted to do actually. But I didn't have the timber at the time. So the last time I actually did one of these kind of pieces was back in 2014, back when I was a student. So something I enjoy about doing pieces that I haven't done in a long time is the revision. Looking back at the process. Do you enjoy cooking with this 130 kg body? I do. A lot. Oh goodness. Sturdy. By Gary. Some more shop money for you, my bro. Oh gosh. Thank you for the $30, my bro. Jeez, I might have to do you a piece too. Thank you very much, my bro. Oh, we. Much appreciated, my bro. Thank you very much, brother Sturdy. No more money for wicked wings. But only I can have wicked wings. You can't. Hey, Cheer Fried Piper. How are you, brother? Long time no see. Kia ora, kia ora. Struth! Stun the Flamin' Crows. Thank you very much, Struthy, for the 2 months, my bro. Sorry, brother, your name always reminds me of Kuro Elf from Home and Away. He's got some cool one-liners, man. Have you ever made a carving of a trout? Not really. I've carved the fish though. I need to try and find a picture of that carving actually. So we have these things called marakiho, which is something that we I'll try and find a picture and I'll save it. Yeah, bro, it's true. Your name always reminds me of Kuro Elf from Home and Away. You haven't got a snowball's chance in hell with my daughter, mate. So marakiho is normally depicted with a fish as well. So that's probably the closest thing I've ever done to carving a trout, I would say. So I'll try and find an old school one for us, and I'll put it on. But there are many ways of carving a marakiho as well. Many different types of ways. Oh, I could use these examples on stream. Hold on, my bro. So marakiho is usually depicted similar to as you all may know as a merman or mermaid or mer thing. But for our people in particular, yeah, that's So as I mentioned Te Tahi o Te Rangi earlier, that story of how he came up with the proverb Waiho mā te whakama e patu, let embarrassment be the punishment. On the day he was about to die, he actually turned into one of these things, and he lives in the river mouth where the river of Ohine Mataroa goes out to sea. And Mrs. Brox's the neighbourhood she lives in is actually quite close to this said place. So let me just add a new source image. Let's choose it. It's probably going to be big as, so I'll minimize it as much as I can, just so I can show you. So this is a marakiho here. So as you can see, merman, similar to what people think. So as you can see, it's always depicted with this tube-like tongue, and it's usually got a fish on the end of it. Now, something I decided to do as my time as a student was try and do one of these, but in a teko form, in a 3-dimensional form. However, I didn't have enough space to do this particular tongue and the fish, so what I did was I actually put the tail fin of the fish above, like on top of the mouth and just over the nose slightly, and I emptied out the mouth and carved the fish on the back of the head just to give it an artistic feel. But this is what a marakiho would look like, as you can see on either side of these small manaia figures, which are these, like, see the mouth and the eye, and on the bottom that's a manaia head as well. So there were many ways that our ancestors used to carve, like in terms of the tribal style. But I think here JT, so if you can see references to the ruru from your piece within this one here, and on either side of the carving as well, as you can see, tuku panels. Now they're flax fibre weaved wall panels. So the way they used to do it, because women weren't allowed in a meeting house when it was being carved, because they represent the total opposite to what carving represents. The way they used to do these designs, they actually used to feed the flax fibre from outside, inside, and then back out. That's how they used to do them. That was a method my grandmother taught me. So that's a marakiho there. Okay, gonna delete it now. Geez, I should try and Google some of my pieces, eh? You might find them. There we go. Okay, geez, I didn't think about doing show and tell like that. Let me try and search up some more pieces. Oh, that's what I can show you. So as I mentioned, we have this cultural festival called the Matatini, and so when I was a student, well, before I even became a student, I got to work on this piece, and let me get the photo of it. So it's the largest carving in the world, and I had the honour of being a part of many carvers that got to actually carve on this particular piece too. Sorry, I'm just enjoying show and tell as well, so please bear with me, whānau. I didn't think of that, eh? Okay, I don't know how big this photo is going to be, but we shall soon see. So this is the Matatini stage. So every 2 years we have Kapahaka Nationals, and this is the fully carved stage here, as you can see. So this is basically because every 2 years we would pay someone to actually make the stage for us, and then the thought came, why don't we make the stage? So as you can see, at the apex of our waharo, our maho, we have a carved face and a carved statue or figure. Now, at the very top of this particular piece is Tangaroa. So, Tangaroa being the god of the sea. Let me move that out of the way. Holy no. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Thank you, my bro. Yeah, so at the apex we have Tangaroa. And obviously the main face of Matatini, which is the whole maho carving itself. As you can see, there's two painted figures on the maihi, which are the barge boards that you may see. Now these represent Tohora. Tohora is a whale, as we know by. And then on we have the amo on each side. So those are the carvings that are standing right up from the ground. So as I always mention our meeting house, oh god, who's this? Kia ora, bloody Ryan. For carving your way into my heart. Okay, dude. Thank you for the $10.98, my bro. Okay, I'll give you that one. That was a good one. Thank you very much, brother. Yeah, so, carving your way into my heart. As I mentioned on the Rapa as well, we have the fingertips that are at the very end of the barge boards. So you can see that there's 4 rows, so that means 4 fingers, birth, life, death, and the afterlife. Sometimes there'll be 3, majority of the time. But the difference with the stage in particular, it was funny, Warren. It has a pai, which are the carvings that run along the bottom of the stage. So yeah, I'll try and do you mind me showing these? Do you like it? I hope so, because I'm gonna keep doing it. But I will get back to some carving for now. Ooh, I like show and tell. Oh, I like it. Alright, carrying on, fella. Carrying on. Alright, let's get back to it, eh? I can probably show past projects for myself. Like I can oh, I probably can't even do that, sorry. I'll try and find past projects that I've done. And I'll save them to the PC to show you. I might save the picture of my first carving actually. So you can see it every time people ask. Things to prep for tomorrow. How long are you streaming for today, my bro? Probably till about 12:30 maybe. Because I gotta have an interview with someone today. I just gotta be ready by 1. So yeah, we'll carry on till about 12:30 and then should take me a while to carry everything back inside. What's today? Monday. Yeah, Monday. No, it's not Monday. Wednesday. Damn, I got Gross Land tonight. And Mag. And I need to start leveling up my druid on retail because Mage Tower. Wednesday, Father's Day. So yeah, on the 21st next week I won't be on. I'll be going to get my arm done for the 30th. Alright. Let's carry on. What? Oh no. making banana pancakes. Do you want some even though you didn't share your cookie? Hey, I was about to bring that in. Hold on, chat. I'll just go get banana pancakes. Oh man, boy am I spoiled. Okay, it's smoko time. Since we're not on the front page, I'm gonna have a smoko. If you don't know what a smoko is, to anyone that's new here, it's just a break. That's all I do. Have a break, have a talk. So I'll just move this out of the way. Mrs. Brooks has made us banana pancakes. So here it is here. So normally I don't like eating in front of people, but I've kind of got used to it. Took me a few months. So I'll just try and inhale these and then we'll get back to it. Nom nom. So yeah, that's all we got there. So just moving the carving away too. See. Ooh, those pancakes are gone. Bro, they're pretty yummy. They're pretty yum. So it's oatmeal or porridge as we call it, and banana. Oh, American Wash. Oh, another 1 year. Thank you very much, brother, for the 1 year. Much appreciated. Can we get some pogs in the chat for American, please? Are you doing a mukbang? Nah, this is soft. I need way more. Congratulations and much appreciated for the 1 year, brother. I'll try not to take too long, chat, so we can get back to why we're actually here. One big spoon for the followers. Much love, brother. Cheer my bro. So you feel free to like spam emotes too, since they can bounce around on the screen. Hey! Cheer my bro. Watching the brother eat smoko. I dig this. Cheer brother Elastic Man. Thank you for the 17 months, my bro. Hicka. We are here to see you. Look, busted. They are on. Here you go, hard. Spam your emotes. It's all good. Thank you very much, Elastic Man. Hope you're good too, my bro. Have you ever tried stone carving? Yep, I have done it. Worked with jade and also grey wacky riverstone. So those were kind of like our first ever carving tools we had too. should I emote only? Yo, American Wash, thanks for gifting a sub to Bogdano, brother. Yeah, I had a dabble with Ponamu, far out. Look at all those notes. Yeah, I'll try not to take too long. Shower me in your emotes. Woo. Also, I got that Reinhardt skin on Overwatch too. Fanta knows what I mean. Gentlemen, jeez, I hope I said that right, brother. Thank you, my bro. Shower me in wood. I'm almost done. Whew. Yeah, just scuffed my diet eating that shortbread, but it was alright because it was my face, so I don't mind. Okay, last part. Fake Nation. Damn, I haven't heard that since Fortnite. Woo! On. Alright. Let's take my plate back, and then we're back to it, okay? Alright. Back to it. Back to it. Oh. Whew. It shimmers. Thank you, gentlemen. Cheers, brother. Yeah, man. Still going. Still going. Just appreciate everyone who still enjoys watching, pretty much. That's definitely the main thing for myself. Oh, my mouse is getting flat. Alright. Some pretty cool emotes in there, I have to say. These are making me want to spam my emote. Alright, so back to this side here. Yeah, man. Let's go. Right back to it. Crazy, have the leader of your country show up to your house, not going to happen in the US. Yeah, brother. It's definitely been one of many highlights, I would say. Didn't think in my entire life I'd ever meet the Prime Minister or have her come over to my house for a yarn, let alone twice at that. Atari Retro 2. Thank you very much for the sub, brother. Not gonna lie, there's some pretty cool games back in the Atari days, you can't deny that. Thank you, Fried Piper, for the 100 bits, my bro. Okay, let's get these legs underway. Wanted a cuppa. Oh, I wanted to, but she wasn't allowed inside because the security had to watch you. And she was just dropping by the second time she came in. She bought some presents for my daughter, who wasn't born yet. It's pretty buzzy. Wait, it happened twice? Yeah, so one day I had finished stream. It was in December actually, and I noticed there was this car at the front with these guys in suits on. Me thinking, who the hell are these eggs? And next thing you know, yeah, she walks out from the corner and I'm like, what are you doing here? I just finished eating a burger. She said, I told you I was coming back. I said, that is true, but I didn't think it'd be this soon. Yeah, just dropped some stuff off. So she gifted some stuff to my daughter. So I think I can say that my daughter was the first newborn in the whole country to actually spew in front of the PM. I was like, oh, breaking records, you are. What's up, Shazam? I'm good, brother. Fried Piper, thank you for the 2 months. Cheer to you too, my bro. Is that our Prime Minister? Yeah, Jacinda. She came over to my house for a visit. Oh, this is on repeat again. Hey, Brox is looking great. Keep up the good work. Sure, brother. Danskis. Oh god, a hype train. Thank you very much for that, father. Holy cow. One love. Yeah, she just came around because, like the days leading up to it, they contacted me. They're like, hey, my government name. We're looking for Brooks, and we were told you're the closest one to him. And they said so and so gave me your number. I got too excited and I was too confused to hear who the name was. And so what happened then? I said, oh yeah, what's up? What do you want him for? And they go, oh, Jacinda would love to meet him. I was like, what, auntie? And they just started laughing at me, like the whole office, and I'm like, nah, this doesn't feel real. Yeah, pretty much, Fanta. And that's how I got Hassan Abi's attention too, because he streams a lot of politics. Did your sub not appear, brother? Yeah, I can't see it either. Maybe try refresh. So yeah, they are asking, oh, where can we find Brooks? And I'm like, sitting there really confused. It's like, why the hell? Well, I haven't done anything bad. I mean, there was that one time I threw rubbish and missed and left it there, but I was pretty confused and had my Tony Stark moment. I'm Brooks, and they're like, "Oh, we've been looking for you." So oh, okay. Yeah, try refreshing and see if that helps. Sorry, this is on repeat. And they're like, "Oh, the Prime Minister would love to meet you," and I was like, I was like, "Yeah, right." And they're like, "No, we're being serious. She really wants to meet you." I was like, "Okay." Sorry, we've already played that song. Let's play something else. There we go. I sent an emails to office last year who came from the World Health Department. I never heard back. Jeez, I don't think it works like that, eh? Well, I'm not sure. I don't know. Yeah. But the main thing just didn't ask for it. Clemson, thank you very much for the 2 months once again, brother. Wealthy, thank you for the 100 bits, and also brother American Wash with the 100 bits as well. Thank you, brother. Oh, I see what you're trying to do. How do you even know what gets it started and all that? I've been watching Twitch for ages and I still don't get it. Hold up. I got a text message. Do you wear any Pounamu? No. I haven't had worn a Pounamu in a long time. Mainly because I don't have one. I had one, but back when I was a kid, I had a toki, or a carved ants blade, and kia ora Ryan, thank you for the 225 bits, brother. Mihi my bro. But we went to the pools one day and my teacher lost it, and I got upset, really upset. And my mum was not happy. I remember too, it was a really dark green, deep green. It had a bit of a speck of gold in it. Hopefully one day it makes its way back to me. Hopefully. And I'm hoping it didn't make my old teacher sick. Charity Bigots. Kia ora, bro. When are you on, bro? On the weekend. Gotta finish up some mahi. All good, cheesecake. What do you do with the cows that you make? So I do commissions, and also sometimes I'll just do a carving to give away. So at the moment I have some timber that I need to use to carve this trophy. American, thank you for the 2 gifted subs again, brother. Then went to Perfect Warlord and Harry Boy. Thank you, brother. Can find this from Greatmouth. Plenty of quartz and gold there. Bro, I'd love to go actually looking for it, eh? That'll be a cool experience. Even if it's just a small one. The whole experience itself would be mean. Alright. So you got quartz as well. Hey Diggs. Kia ora, my bro. Hello. Fallen TV. Thank you very much for subbing, my bro. Welcome to the stream, brother. Jeez, all the love today. Thank you very much, my man. Much appreciated, brother. Marlena gave me my first poem and I still wait to this day. It took me just like yours was. Oh, nice, Clark. Yeah, brother. Yeah, hopefully I find makes its way back to me one day. I'll be so happy if it does. But I think Mrs. Box is trying to plan for getting me one for my 30th. Last stream till I fly. Oh, true, brother. Where you going, my bro? Army? Or work? One of the greatest treasures I own is a Heimato my grandparents gifted me. Oh, nice, my bro. That's on, my bro. Is unfinished jade expensive? I would say so. Yeah, definitely. I would split them in the middle with my thumb like I always have. My job is moving me from Japan. Oh, true, brother. Where are you gonna go now? Like, is your situation okay? Oh, Diggs, if you want to check them out in your own time too, brother. So LAB is who's playing right now, brother. They're an NZ band that gave me permission to jam on Twitch. That's kind of one of the main things I've been trying to do, brothers. Get some NZ bands up in here and showcase them on the channel. They move with the promotion. Oh, true. We are the Māori people located here in Aotearoa, New Zealand, my man. This is where we're from. But also, there are many all over the world. Majority of our people live here, though. Home is where the heart is, brother. Like, I got permission from one of the bros, who's actually a singer in 1814. But I'm like waiting for permission from the label, because I really would like to play these songs right now, but at the same time, don't really want to do it if I don't have the label's permission as well. Yo, Classic Potato, thank you for the 8 months, brother. Glad to have been along for the ride for the past 8 months. I first subscribed back when I was about to take one of the biggest steps in my life, joining the army. I'm now working full-time as a military mechanic. Oh, nice, brother. So when you're in the NZ, bro, can you come and work on my truck? Yo, nice, Classical. Congratulations, brother. That's main news. That's good news to hear, brother. Can we get some golf clips in the chat for Classical Potato, please, brother? Congrats on taking the leap as well, brother. That's how a change in momentum can always start, just by taking a deep breath and say bugger it and take the step, brother. Watching your shoes and clips have been a big help during the tough time for me, so thank you for the appreciate it so much. Cheer, brother Clark. Call you Clarky, my brother. Cheer, brother Clarky. All good, bro. Thank you for being here. So long as I can get the band and artist to back you, you should be able to. Otherwise, you have to use music section to stream my own card and stuff. Yeah, I've heard that before, but then again, like the labels who own the music can do the bounce on you as well. So I kind of get hesitant with that as well. Run on a V12. It's a Triton. That's all, like 2012. Māori people consider Pacific Islanders in a general very broad sense for the. Yeah, we all come under Pacifica. Polynesians, eh? Or for me, like, there will be Māori out there, they're like, no, we come under our own banner. Rah, rah, rah. Yeah, label permission, that's the thing. That's why I got lucky with Lamp. Because the chorus pretty much hit their label up straight away, and they're, yeah, all good, go hard, bro, I play well, do you play well too? Create opportunity, as I would say again. And yeah, I play well, better be Horde though. I don't even think Twitch allows SoundCloud either. True. Yeah, I wouldn't have a clue. Eh? That's why I kind of just stick to the same artist or play game music as well. Myself and my native voice, so I'm just curious as to if we reviewed same sense of the large countries. Yeah, definitely, my brother. Oh, I'll call you probably my cousin anyway. Kanaka Maoli. Sure, my cousin. I want to be your friend. You got a friend in me. Sure, brother. Large country, I would say an island nation. Me personally. But I could be wrong. The brother can correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. I might have just set myself up with this. Ooh wee. Hold up. My shit up. Ooh. But really cool to see someone similar making it in the way to bring good vibes to the people. Sure, my bro. Oh, good brother. That's all I want to do is just share what I have. And as I always say, have in-depth conversations about food. Vohaya. I got into traditional Māori wood carving when I was 12 years old, brother. And my bro, I've been carving ever since. I'm almost 30. Next week, actually. What was the traditionally used to do this stuff? So we use stone tools, stone chisels. So those are the original tools that our ancestors used. So I've got my own stone tool as well that I made back when I was a student. So two stones in particular that we used was grey raki river stone, onewa as we call it, and the renowned pounamu, or nephrite jade. Happy early birthday, thanks brother. Yeah, I turn 30 next week. How much of a difference does the type of wood make? Big difference. So like, because this is pine, eh? Obviously pine carving is quite infamous for being dry, and the grain is quite weak when you cut over it, but there are methods around it. Tōtara, which is a native timber, a native red pine, probably one of the most creamiest timbers you can have, but it all depends on how you look after it, eh? How you preserve it. It's definitely a good timber to carve, I would say. It's odd, I feel like you're so much older and mature than me, but we're only a couple of years apart. Oh, all good brother. I don't know, like, just sharing what I've been taught, really. Sometimes love we can't deny, slowly so true. What you drawing today, Thunder? I feel like you're still here. So it's starting to come to shape, as you can see. So instead of like how we have this hand here, the different method that we're going to use for this figure here, we're just going to cut the hand. So you can just do 2 lines. Cut 2 lines there. Instead of trying to drop the body down, therefore losing more timber, you just cut it in, just like a normal line, like the methods that you see here on the hand. Do you like indigenous Australian art? My friend makes glass called Wathuron glass? Wathuron glass. I've never heard of it, I'll be honest brother, but the art that I've seen is obviously the Aboriginal paintings that they do, like from the how do I say this, the outline of the particular, say a lizard, and then they start implementing the dots that they do. I like those are cool. If by mistake you do an extra chip and you have to start over, no, melelele, we don't make mistakes brother, we make adjustments. You just carry on, apply that same mistake or boo-boo on the other side and just say, intentional as can be. infused and made into indigenous patterns. My friend for the Storm versus the Bulldogs game. Oh, true, brother. Wow, that's mean. I must Google that after stream, brother. Sounds pretty mean. True, you done them for the dogs in the Storm, eh? What up on it? Baby, don't you know? Oh, all good two-piece, all good, brother. So I think we've gotten the rough mold done on here anyway. You don't normally have to like super clean it up till we finish the whole side. So we'll move on. We'll start dropping some more of these. Just saying, baby, yes I do. Also, to anyone that's new here, so this is what's called Māori wood carving, or whakairo as we call it by its name. It's name in our language. So this has been a main part of our culture for a very long time. Traditionally, women weren't allowed to do this, or are not allowed to do this, sorry, because within Māori wood carving, we carve a lot of our ancestors who are obviously not here anymore, and a woman is the complete opposite to that representation. Yeah, I haven't found any either, Fanta. Pretty proud of the culture we get to experience and share. We love learning more about Māori culture. All good, Wealthy. Bro, I'm keen to share as much as I can, brother, for you. This is pretty much the realm for me, brother. This is within the Māori wood carving. I mean, when I was a kid, I wanted to be a zookeeper until I discovered this from my uncle. And it was pretty much game over from there. Didn't want to do anything else. Oh, hello, Potter. Oh, Miss Potter. Good to see you, and I hope you got all the collection of Pokemon cards from McDonald's from these Happy Meals. Because I went to check out McDonald's and we're still on Space Jam, so I don't think we're going to get them. And thank you for the biscuit as well to Twitch ANZ for organising that. I ate my man bun till I looked bald. Kind of look good, by the way. I think it could be better than Panda. Gonna get some more cards. I did see news they are coming soon. Oh, cool! I've got 2 kids, so that's 2 Happy Meals. You practice boxing, your knuckles look kinda hurt. Just craftsman's hands, eh? Because sometimes I still like that a lot on the timber or the voice. I've been sitting like that for years. It's kinda, yeah, rough hands, rough knuckles, ashy knuckles. Just punch volcanoes. No. Hey, Miss Shady. Kia ora, kia ora. High 5 streak. Hope you're well. Doing good, brother. Doing good. There you go. So I just wanna make you mine. Good day, I hope you're well. Yeah, brother, doing all good. Had a pretty fun time on the Māori Language Week showcase. Just getting more work done. Obviously, just because the showcase is over doesn't mean the stream has to end. We can still make more progress as we go along. I never ever could I will never give up, can be my memory. Ms. Potter, if you're still here, what's the big card from those McDonald's Pokemon cards? Like, what's the chase card? So you know it's you and me. I think the shiny Pikachu. Oh, okay. Cool, cool. How long does it take you to make a piece like this? Because I'm cutting through and I plan to cut the back out, it is definitely going to take a little bit longer than usual, but it's all good. It's all good. Damn, no, I feel like Macca's. All good, Wujang. Welcome, brother. You join us whenever you like, my bro. There will be gaming streams here and there, but well, what's the opposite to toxic? Not toxic. I just laugh when I make bad plays. I did play some Overwatch last night and it felt good being an aggressive Reinhardt again. I got that skin that I said I was gonna get to. The League one. And he's got like the timber armor. Alright, I think I've done enough. Okay, I think the top section is good. What's the time? 12. Opposite the toxic is proxy. Had a game at Apex last night too. I'm slowly getting better with Valky. Chained Infant. Oh. Would you look at that? It finally arrived. Shit, bro. Oh, shit, Chained Infant. It finally come through, eh? Thank you very much for the 2 months, my bro. Thank you, brother. So did the refresh work or did you just have to wait for a little bit? I feel like you just had to wait, eh? Alright, here we go. B-Tree, thank you for gifting a sub to Miss Shady. And Pobert, thank you for the tier 1 as well, Fano. Sheesh, thank you. Gotta see Brox on Velo. Oh, say that. Which reminds me, I still need to start doing my rank games, eh? Bro, how good is 10Z? Ah, he's on another level. That whole Sentinels roster, eh? Whole Sentinels roster, man. Fuck. Because I only just found out Shazam follows me on Twitter. I was like, surely that's a misclick. Misclick follow? Or. Because I went to follow him and I was like, huh? He's following me. He beat me to it. Yeah, like, I've only been following 100 Thieves, obviously, because I like 100 Thieves, but I've been watching all the Sentinels games too, and far out, man. Ask him for some lessons. I'll try. I DM'd him, but no reply. I'm guessing because he's busy training. I was like, how are you following me? That's what I said. He's like, what? Holy cow. Yo, Aegis Cruiser, brother. Been a long time. Good to see you again, my bro. Thank you for the 10 gifted subs, brother. Hey, man, how are things? Oh, this guy. Thank you very much, my bro. All is well, brother. Been really busy, eh? Really busy. Good use of the holy cow emo. Thank you very much, Fane. Can we spam holy cow just so I can see what it looks like on the stream? I am a union person, brother. Hey, what's up, Turtle? Thank you very much, Aegis. I legit asked, can you make like the nunny face or a surprise face, but a cow? Because I say it quite a lot. Okay, let's change it back in. Thanks for that chat. Would you believe I've been using my stomach as a mouse pad since being outside? Supernova, just wanna make you the queen. Oh, Beatree! Hey, kia ora busy mama. Tēnā koe hoa. Pēhea koe tēnei rā. Tēnā koe busy mama. Kei te pai. Kei te āhua. Kei te āhua hea moe ke au nā te whai te aue ke nā tamariki te pō. Engari me haere tonu nā mea. Engari kei te pai au tēnei rā. Tēnā koe. Beatree, thank you for the 13 months, brother. Aloha, brother Brooks, and Miss Shani looking good over. Can I see? Nani? Nani? Oh, my wa. Oh, he did it. And Yala Benin, cheers for something as well, brother. You look like someone new, so welcome, my bro. Sorry, gotta run to our last softball game of the season. Cheers, all this guy. Okay, Aegis, I may go live later tonight, but good luck in your game. Puku Mouseman. Thank you very much, Aegis. Thank you very much for being here, bro. This guy. Hey, there he is. A sneaker colorina. Thank you very much for the raid, my bro. Hope you had a good stream. Hope you had a good stream, my bro. How was that game you were jamming yesterday? I couldn't stay because of the kids. Touched by a turtle. I'm interested in getting... Hold up. I saw a carving question. Touched by a turtle. Another 1 year. You are the third of the day, my bro. Cheer, bro, for the chill streams as always. Thank you very much, brother. Much appreciated for the 1 year support. Can we get some pogs and hypes in the chat for Touched by a Turtle as well? Much appreciated, my brother. I'm interested in getting into carving. Do you have any suggestions on where to start? What species? I would say whatever kind of timber you can get your hands on. That goes for tools as well. And depending on what kind of wood carving you want to get into, just go for it, brother. Have an experiment period at first. Get used to your tools. Whether you're just hacking at the timber and getting a good feel for them, or going into it straight away. That's what I would say, brother. Simply Analog, thank you for the sub as well, brother. Okay, I'll just do these. So time, so we got another 20 minutes and then I have to go and set up. Alright, smash it. I actually don't want to end stream there. Feels good. I must say that break definitely helped. But ready to go hard again. How's the weather? Sounds amazing. Yeah, it's been raining here and there. But that's what I'm known for as well. Carving in the rain. Legit had a hailstorm one stream. It was good. Right. Wonder if my cousin's partner has given birth to their baby yet. Cuzzy Squid. You still playing well? Yeah, bro. Yeah, I still play well. Thinking of getting back into retail because Mage Tower could be making a return. Then I'll finally feel cool playing Bear Druid. But I gotta level them up to cap level. But I've been playing just BC. At the moment it's at a standstill because everyone's just waiting for phase 2. So I work when my mind is all over the place. Cheers. Oh, Simply Analog. Bro, it's all good, brother. Like, that belongs to you, that praise. But cheers for watching, brother. That would be the main thing for me, bro. Kia ora, Sword. How are you? That would definitely be the main thing for myself, brother. Is you tuning in, brother. Joy brain. You should check out our project Ascension. What's that, brother? Is that a game? Ooh, one moment. Oh, Touchpad Warrior. It's my favorite torrent. What's up, my bro? Thank you very much for the 4 months, brother. I hope you're well. I did see you were doing a cooking stream over the weekend. I couldn't jump in and have a look, but thank you very much for the 4 months, my bro. Hope you're doing well, and I hope you're getting more and more mount drops as well. And I gotta ask you too, brother, how excited are you for the high mountain customization options? That's kind of like what I was waiting for with the new patch. Fingers and toes crossed, and beard here for the Mage Tower for my druid. And also Jorm, thank you very much for the raid too, my bro. Thank you, brother. Welcome everyone from your stream as well, my bro. My name's Brox. I'm a traditional Māori woodcarver, and sometimes I eat food on stream too. You may want to check this VOD out earlier where I was eating a biscuit of my faith. Bro, yeah, broken horn, bro. Because I'm about to race change my druid to a high mountain torrent. I hope they bring the grizzle ball back in. I was really gutted I didn't give it a proper go back in Legion. Robert, bro, your name always reminds me of Pope out there. Thank you for the 300 bits, brother. Thank you for being so nice. Also, amazing job on the coffee. Hey, thank you, brother. Is it your birthday today? Robert? No, brother, it's next week. Next week. Okay, Yasuku. Tēnā koe atua. Kia ora, my bro. Yeah, so we've got all this section done today. And we're just trucking along the side. So I'll stand it up before we finish today and give you a bit of a look. But yeah. So we finished this section here, except the eyes. I'll do that last. But this is what's called tiko tiko. A three-dimensional carving, as you can see. And to challenge myself even more, I wanted to design the sides and cut straight through and dig the back out for bit of light to come through as well. Hey, this must be Beanie. Morning, my bro. You finally awake, eh? Only a matter of streams till this bad boy has got me to. Yeah, it won't take too much. I was doing a bit of carving while I wasn't streaming it, but I was for another project. I'll probably show the project that I'm doing as well. That's due for November soon. I've got to go get a orbital. How was the little break? Assuming you had fun relaxing with the father? Yeah, but there were times where I just went live because I was sitting there doing nothing. Like the just chatting stream I did, but I enjoyed it, eh? Never thought I'd enjoy just chatting stream. I didn't think anyone would like it. But I got a whole lot of DMs like the day after. Can you do more of those? It's like, oh, okay. Yeah, brother, that's the one. Yeah, Kills came in earlier and saying you're having a boy. So, yeah, can you play? Have you ever made a kakaurua? No, I haven't. Or have I? Since I've done so many pieces, what kakaurua. Trying to look back in my memories. Have I done one? No, because I never had an axe head. Yeah, no, I've never done one. But I did find someone who sells them, so I might make one. Oh, thanks, baby. Baby! You remind me of that South Park episode. Make love not World of Warcraft is definitely my favourite. The Sword of a Thousand Truths. I'm a hunter, level 5. Come on, functional carving streams and just shedding streams. Plenty on Trade Me too. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Maybe I'll do one. Yeah, no, I never got the chance to do one. Because there was the one component I was missing. The X head. Alright. Oh, check. I'll just do this. I'm gonna take it out of the voice, give it a clean and show you what we've done. Submit 7. 2 hours of chatting and 32 minutes of eating pancakes and shortbread. Bro, that shortbread was yummy. Or I'm just old fashioned because I like shortbread. Alright. Oi! Bloody camera. Come on. Sit properly. There we go. So I'll show you what we've done, chat. Today is one of the days I actually watch a stream. College hitting me hard. COVID really spreading here too, which is another stressor. Yeah. Bro, it sucks that it's spreading. Like, apparently there's a new variant as well. The MU variant, and I'm like, what? MU Gamma Zone? That was the first thing that popped into my head when they said it. More problems. Thank you very much for the 13 months, brother. Thank you. Much appreciated, my bro. So that's all we've done so far. You can see it slowly taking shape. So we've prepped the ones down the bottom. So it'll get more round and round as we go along. Okay, that's what it's naturally going to look like. And all those levels that have been dropped really low, we'll have we'll be cutting the back right out too, as you can see. So like the other side, we drop the other side, which we'll do later. Come on, camera, focus. So yeah, as you can see, always good to try to keep a border when you stomp the yard reference. Bro, that's the first thing I thought of when they said it. It's a MU. That's the name of the new variant, and I was like, MU Gamma Zone. That was legit the first thing I thought of, bro. I stomped the yard. Man's a funny choker. You find it. That's gonna be us. I'm gonna talk for the last few minutes. Just say it's been a good day, a really good day. I ate biscuit, pancakes, and also got to share what I love to do. Would you say pine is pretty easy to carve? Yeah, like it's easy to carve with, definitely. You have sharp chisels, just makes it that much easier too. Thank you, Jacob, for the biddies as well, brother. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, for a beginner, like definitely try a soft timber. That would be the best way to do it. But yeah, so it's almost 12:30, so I'm gonna look at finishing up very shortly. I have to carry everything that you see that I'm using right now. So I've got PC, screen, keyboard, mouse, string deck, road mic, chisels, mouse, pretty much all outside. So that's the kind of setup I have to use at the moment because the bag needs a warrant of fitness check. Yeah, unfortunately, yeah, I thought I ordered a small cam link, but they sent me the Cam Link Pro, and I checked inside the hard drive or the tower, and it doesn't have the slots I need in order to use it, so I'm gonna have to look at getting an upgrade. But they should be getting some small cam links here. I don't mind buying one as it goes back to Elgato anyway. Question: is it offensive to get a Polynesian tattoo if I'm not Polynesian? I created my own art with an artist that describes my story. I mean, if you can tell your own story, then for me personally, I don't have a problem with it. Like, if people approach you and you can tell the story, they shouldn't be offended, but that's my opinion. Like, as long as you can tell what's embedded on me, okay, I better check who's on, eh?